Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful baby crochet outfit ideas, new designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy baby crochet outfit ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Every design is different one another. Mind-blowing designs and ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Top 50 designs and ideas you can see. Those babies who loves to wear such type of outfits. Soft and beautiful washable outfit ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. Top designs, top ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. If you want to buy these very beautiful baby crochet outfits, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful outfits online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest